Hello everyone, I am going to show you how to add featured photos in your Facebook account. So for this, firstly you need to download Facebook application in your mobile phone or any device that you've been using. I have pre-downloaded the application in my mobile phone as you can see, and now what you have to do is you have to get inside the app by simply clicking on the icon of the application. And once you're inside the application, at your right you can see three vertical rows, so you need to click on this, and here you can see that your name will be displayed, so click on the place where your name is displayed, and this is your feed actually. And here right below your name you can see there is an option for edit profile, so what you have to do is just click on edit profile here. And now after scrolling a little down, you can see an option for featured, and there is another button which says try it. So by clicking on this, you can feature your favorite photos and stories here for all of your friends to see. So just click on the try it button, and now you can select any photos that you like. So I'm just selecting random photos here and click on next. After clicking on next, you can see that there is a cover option and title. So if you click on the title, you can just give name to your photos. It can be anything. So I'm just going to name it carpet here and click on the right button. And now just tap on the save. And after you tap on the save, it will be uploaded in your feed. Every one of your friends can actually see your featured photos. And in this way, you can simply feature photos in your feed. And after this, you'll again come to your edit profile page, so go back and refresh your feed once, and after that you can see that your featured photos is there. And in this way you can just simply put your featured photos or collection of your photos in feature in your feed, which your friends will see. I hope this video helped you. Thank you.